how to fix this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp. So all what you have to do, guys, to fix this problem, it's actually very easy. Just open the Chrome browser or any browser you have on your phone and then go to the whatsapp.com website. After that, go to the top corner, click on those three lines, and then go to the help center on whatsapp.com website. Scroll down and go to the get in touch option. Click on it like this, and it will take you to this page. Now right here you need to go to the WhatsApp Messenger support. Click here on contact us. After you click on it, now scroll down and you need to enter the country that you are using the phone number for. For example, I'm gonna choose, let's say, Russia, like this. And here you need to enter your phone number. And right here you need to enter the email address and confirm it right here again. And then scroll down, and here you need to choose the device that you are using. For example, I'm using Android, so I choose it. And right here you need to enter the message of the problem that you are having with your WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.